Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn an amazing story. Are you ready to get started?
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Okay, let's go.
After the rain, a beautiful rainbow stretched across the big blue sky. It was full of every color you could imagine.
But the rainbow felt a little bit sad. Oh, I don't want to go away, it sighed. I want to stay forever and ever.
A little girl named Elara was looking out her window. She saw the sad rainbow and had a wonderful idea.
She ran to her art table and grabbed her brightest crayons. I will help you to stay, she called out to the rainbow. I will draw you.
Elara began to draw a big happy rainbow, and poof! The red, orange and yellow colors from the real rainbow jumped right onto her paper.
Splash! The green, blue and purple colors followed. The rainbow was now safe and sound inside Elara's drawing.
This was so much fun, giggled the rainbow. It decided to hide in more places. It jumped into a pile of toy blocks, making them all different colors.
Then it leaped on to a yummy ice cream cone, turning the sprinkles into a tiny rainbow.
The rainbow looked around. It was in the drawing, on the blocks, and on the ice cream. It was everywhere.
The rainbow smiled a big happy smile. It didn't need to stay in the sky to be forever. It lived in Elara's heart and in every happy color she saw. Did you love today's story, everyone?
Yes, Mom, I loved.
Okay, thanks for learning with us, friends, today. See you tomorrow with more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.